As a technology provider, technology can also bring a lot of noise into an organization. One thing that we recently implemented all throughout Future Tech is the avoidance of cell phones in any meetings. So what we've identified, and I actually saw a video on this and I forget where it was, where they had a group of people that were going into a meeting and they were pre-meeting, right? So they were waiting outside before to get into the meeting, and there was no conversations between any of the employees. They were all head down, looking at their phones, whatever they were doing. So what we decided to do was, based on what we had seen, is remove phones from any of the meetings that we have. So you're not allowed to bring it in, right? It's got to be away, not on the table, not on the desk. The amount of interaction change that we've had in meetings since we've implemented that has been 10 to 1, number one. Number two, the meeting times have shrunk from an average of an hour and a half to 45 minutes. Because we go in, we accomplish the things we need to do, everybody's paying attention, and then you move out. So it's interesting to watch that dynamic of the value of technology, that we have from a corporate perspective, from what it brings to us, but then also the things that it hinders for us, right, and takes away. So we're trying to make adjustments, right, as a company to have that balance in between the value of technology, right, and the noise that technology brings sometimes.